right, welcome to Jackson. We are downtown Jackson, and it is May 4th, 2024, and we are attending the Blessing of the Bikes. Welcome to the channel. This is the Baird. Glad you're here. It's a beautiful day. If you're new to the channel, please like, subscribe, and ding the bell for notifications. If you're one of the new subscribers, I want to say thank you. If you're back to the channel, welcome back. We've got this huge turnout of all sorts of motorcycles in the park here across from where I'm standing, and several food trucks we've checked out, vendors. It is just a beautiful day. The first Blessing of the Bikes stand up against Willie's in Jackson, Michigan. Kona Ice, Callahan's Coffee.
Can I add more flavor?
Cookies going on over here. So we got a food truck from Brighton, Pontiac. Smoking Steve's. Pulled pork biscuit, half chicken, ribs, macaron, sides. There's their contact information. Flavor options over here. And then they've got Vita Blend, so they got King Classic, Cowabunga, color change. How's it going? I'm just taking some video. How you guys been doing? Seems like every time I see, most often I see you guys are heading north as I'm heading south in Lansing.
Well, are you in the area tomorrow?
Yeah. Yeah, you're gonna be over at Home Depot?
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, I just heard about that a day or two ago, so yeah, but yeah.
Sure.
Yeah, we'll see ya. It's Callahan's Coffee. Got a nice setup.
Love you.
So she wasn't lying that when she says that you get two of you guys in there.
Yeah. She's just going to check on the other food truck real quick and she'll be right back. I'm new, so I'm still learning.
Oh, no, that's fine, yeah. Does she have the vegan, the veggie, Reuben sold out? I'll ask her.
I'm like, I'm not really
Featured
sure.
sweet egg roll, dessert nachos, yeah. Pulled pork.
Hi, buddy.
Hey, how you doing? Do you have the vegetable option today? Okay, I just thought I'd ask. I just thought I'd ask because it looks real good. It's kind of more towards my current lifestyle.
Current lifestyle. I
Yeah.
You're on a lifestyle change.
So I'm.
Yeah,
Okay, let me see those. Let me see those. Oh, look at that.
Yay.
Those look awesome. Those are
Exciting.
those that? So that's a chicken, and is that at Carnitas or what?
That's Carnitas.
Woo.
I just told him to surprise me, and I'm gonna go cook him some lunch.
Woo-hoo, looks good.
Upside to
Hit you guys later. Yeah. So those tacos are from our friends from the Metro Detroit area. Smoking Steve's. You wouldn't mind if I got a shot of your tacos there, would you? Ooh, look at those.
Store.
Oh, those look awesome. What'd you get over here? Mac and cheese?
It's called the Big Mac
Oh man, that looks good.
Yeah.
Thank you. Have a great day. All right, so he's got a huge smoker. Woo. Man, look at that. Look at that. He's got the wood. So what kind of wood are you using?
We're using all cherry wood.
Awesome. And then how? Because I see a lot of the stuff. You know, the guys from Texas are all about post oak. What distinctive flavor does this type of wood give to your products? Anything that
it gives us our own flavor that we never change anything.
Awesome.
Sometimes we add
Okay.
product, but we don't ever change
Right.
our heat,
Okay.
wood, meat.
All right. Awesome.
Keeps it, you know.
I like your man. That looks like you put a lot of time into using this bad boy.
This thing, the motor went out the other day. I had to put another.
Uh-huh.
I've got two of these on another trailer.
Okay.
So they're the old
All right.
Southern Yankee. They work really good.
Nice. Nice.
So hoping people stop out.
Yeah. Well, this is Smoke and Steve's, and this is their what's your name?
Steve's Barbecue.
Okay, no, I mean your name.
Steve
You're
Hawes.
Steve. Okay, I'm Chad. I'm gonna post a little YouTube video of this later this week, so we'll get you guys on there. Thanks. Yep.